Now this is a question from INE-B, question number 15. Let's see the second part of this question. We have to show sine of A minus B divided by sine A sine B, and then we have sine B minus C divided by sine B sine C, sine C minus A divided by sine C sine A, and we are supposed to show this is equal to 0. Now if you just look at this expression, we should be immediately able to recall this trigonometric formula. Cot A minus cot B is sin B minus A over sin A sin B. The derivation is nothing, just I have taken the LCM here. I have replaced cot A by cos A by sin A, cot B by cos B by sin B, and I have taken the LCM here. And if I take LCM, numerator becomes sin B cos A minus sin A cos B, and that is sin of B minus A divided by sin A sin B. Right? Now just see how we use this formula here. If you just see the left hand side of this, I can write this as cot B minus cot A using this formula, and this as cot C minus cot B, and this as cot A minus cot C. Right? Now you can see, you can cancel all the terms. You can cancel minus cot A with plus cot A, cot B with minus cot B, cot C with minus cot C, and you get 0. Now also see the third part of this question. In third part, this is like we have to show tan 12A minus tan 9A minus tan 3A equals to tan 12A tan 9A tan 3A. Now this, if you just look at this side, and then maybe you can first of all write this as tan 12A plus tan of minus 9A. You know, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. We can shift minus sign out of the tan, or we can, from outside we can shift it inside. Same we can do with this term. We can shift minus sign inside. Now if you now look at this, same I can write here. I can generate two minus signs here. One I shift with 12A minus 12A, and other minus sign no, the first I write this plus sign here as minus into minus, and one minus I combine with 9A, it becomes minus 9A, another with 3A, it becomes minus 3A. Now if you look at the form of this expression, the form of this expression is like tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals to tan A tan B tan C. Now this tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C, this expression comes when we use tan A plus A plus B plus C formula. The formula is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C. Denominator is 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C tan C tan A. You can complete this. Now if you replace A, if you replace A equals to minus 12A, note that this A is not same as this A, right? So you can change it to A dash if A is a confusion for you. A dash equals to minus 12A, B equals to minus 9A, A equals to 12A, not minus 12A, and C equals to minus 3A. The left hand side becomes 0 because sum of these three angles is 0. So and then left hand side becomes 0 means this numerator becomes 0, and numerator becomes 0 means tan of minus 12, tan of 12a minus tan 9a minus tan 3a equals to this, right?